Throw our tea bag in there. I'm gonna do two because I'm really in the mood for some strong tea. And I think this little hook goes in the back, right? So when you pour your tea, maybe. Start out with a little water in there. Turn this on high. And away we go. Rapid boil. All right to the top, it's 2 cups. While we're waiting for our tea to steep, we're gonna have some breakfast. Quaker instant oats. And I like to mix in some instant grits. Just add your boiling water. All right, that's been about 10 minutes. Remember, little finger hold goes in the back. Pour yourself a cup of tea. I'm not typically a tea drinker, but this smells so good. That's good tea. I don't know much about tea, but that's some really good tea. And my oatmeal and grits, look at that, stiffened right up, piping hot. I don't put anything in it. I used to put sugar, milk, brown sugar, raisins, you name it. But today, I don't know, I have some bad digestion problems. So I just eat it plain. And I noticed when it has sugar and anything sweet, you want more. But with this, I'll probably eat like half of this. I'll be good, and I won't eat again until lunchtime. So then you get used to it. Porridge, fresh, hot, quick, cheap, good stuff. Breakfast is done. The Star Wars Death Star teapot set. Can't go wrong. Well, that's it for me today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.